Solving the sixth problem of statistic, the calculation of mean. So the sixth problem here, there's a table below shows the daily expenditure on the food 25 households in a locality. So how much the expenditure of 25 houses in the locality for the food. So it is given in the form like this data. The expenditure and number of houses 100 to 50, four houses, the expenditure is 100 to 50, like this it is given. Find the mean of daily expenditure on food by suitable method. So the mean we have to calculate for daily expenditure on the food by the suitable method. So first of all we will draw this table and write the data which is given. So a daily expenditure is given, number of houses, that is Fi, frequency of occurrence. We have to calculate the Xi, and then we will think of which formula we have to apply. Clear? So here the X is your 100 plus 550 divided by 2, that is 100 plus 550 divided by 2 is 125. Here the mean, upper limit lower limit divided by 2. Here also upper limit lower limit divided by 2, that is 150 plus 200 is 350 divided by 2, that will be 175. Similarly 200 plus 250, that is 200 plus 250, that is your 450. 450 divided by 2 will be your 225. Similarly here also we will get the Xi value 275, and then it is 325. Clear? So we can use, because the Xi values are high, so multiplication will be tedious, so we will use the method, your third method. So third method we have to find the first, going to the third method we have to find the assume value A. So here the A is the middle value, here this 2, the middle value is 225, A is 225 here. So di is Xi minus A. Here Xi is 125 minus 225. 125 minus 225, how much it will be? Minus 100. Similarly 175 minus 225 will be minus 10. 225 minus 225 will be 0. 275 minus 225 will be 50. Similarly 325 minus 225 will be your, how much? 100. Clear? Now h, what is h value? H value here it is the difference between this 100 to 150, the difference is 50. 50 to 200, the difference between these two is 50. So every value there is a 50. So you have to write h is equals to 50. Ui is di by h. So di is minus 100 by 50. Your answer is di will be minus 2. Similarly minus 10 divided by 50, your answer is minus 1. 0. Similarly 50 divided by 50 will be 1. 100 divided by 50 will be 2. So now what we have to do is this ui column values multiplied with the fi. Clear? 4 2s are 8, minus 8. 5 1s are minus 5. 0 into 12 into 0 will be 0. 2 1s are 2. 2 this 2 2s are 4. Now next what we have to do is we have to add up this value 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2, that is the summation of fi. That value are 25. Similarly if we add minus 8 minus 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5, we will get minus 7. So now we will use the third formula, that is a calculation of mean. X bar is equals to A plus h into sigma of fi ui by sigma of fi. Now we have know the value. A is, we know, 225 plus h is 50. Sigma of fi we have calculated minus 7, and sigma of f is how much? 25. So when we calculate it, we will get 225 minus 14. So our answer is 211. So the mean daily expenditure on the food by is the mean expenditure, the 225 211 is mean daily expenditure on daily expenditure on food. So there's 211 rupees is a mean daily expenditure on the food. So next we will go to the this was your sixth problem. We have calculated the mean by the third method. Now your next problem is seventh one. Here what it is given in seventh one is to find out the concentration of SO2 in air in the part per million, that is ppm. Part per million is ppm. Concentration of SO2 in the air in a ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and it is present below. So the data, how much SO2 concentration in air, the data is collected in the how many 30 location in particular city. So this form is given. Now what we have to do is, first here this frequency is given, we have to calculate the mean. Find the concentration of SO2 in the air. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. So to calculate the mean concentration on SO2 in air, we have to first make the table. Solution is we have to make the table. Concentration SO2 ppm in ppm. Next column will be your frequency, which is given. Next will be your xi, that is class mark, which we have to calculate, and then we will think which method we have to apply. First we have value is 0.00 to 0.04. The frequency is 4. 0.04, 0.08, the frequency is 9. 0.08, 0.2, that is 9. 0.12 to 0.16, then 2. 0.16 to 0.204, 0.20 to 0.24, the 2. So this is given here. Next what we have to calculate, xi. Xi is what? Your class mark 0.00 plus 0.04 divided by 2. Your answer is here, your 0.02. Similarly x1, this is x2 is being calculated, that is 0.04 plus 0.08 divided by 2, that is 0.06. So we will write here the values are 0.02, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 0.06, 0.10, 0.14, 0.18 and 0.22. Next what we have to calculate is, we have to calculate the product. So we have to calculate the product of Fi into Xi. So what it will be, as the values are very small, so we will use the first method, that is direct method. So the multiplication, 4 into 0.02 will be 0.04. 9 into 0.06 will be 0.14. 9 into 0.10 will be 0.90, and 2 into 0.14 will be 0.28. 4 into 0.18 will be 0.72. Similarly 2 into 0.22 will be 0.44. And when we add it, we add this all summation, we will add this all, that is summation of Fi Xi. The value is 2.91. and when we add this frequency values all together, and 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4, this all if we add, Fi summation of Fi will be, your answer is, you got the value is, when we add we will get 30. Now we will write the direct method for the calculation of mean. Sigma of Fi Xi divided by sigma of Fi, that is 2.96 by 30. That is, if we remove this point, we can multiply it by 300. That is 296 by 3000. We will get, that will be 98.67 divided by 1000. So when we divide it, we will get 0.0986, which is equals to 0.099 ppm. So here the answer is 0.099 ppm. The mean, so the mean concentration of the S2O, the mean concentration of SO2 in air is 0.099 ppm is your answer. So you have to calculate by first method. Is it clear?